Hi guys, today we are working on Chevy Cruze 2017. The problem is oil leak. So all of the engine on the side and on the bottom was like crazy oily. So I pressure washed and I noticed the oil leak was from the top. And let me show you the problem. So the real problem is this gasket right here. It's for the brake vacuum pump. This is the vacuum pump right here. Look, this gasket, it has to be like this. This gasket not even have this part right here, you see? That's why it was leaking like crazy. Look, just like this. It's not even tight. So you have to replace this gasket. This is the part number. I bought it from O'Reilly for $6. Replace this gasket and also replace these two gaskets as well, because you already opened it. This is the part number for the gaskets, and the oil issue will be solved. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and comment. See you in the next video.